Hello and greetings from BNCA. This is Dr. Sujata Karve, Head of the Department, MArch Environmental Architecture at BNCA. So, how are you feeling today? Hot, cold, comfortable? Do you remember how you experienced the weather maybe a few years back? Was the weather always so unpredictable? We've been calling this climate change for many years, but actually experiencing it and its effects strongly in the last few years. We have been hearing about forest fires and heat waves and the unprecedented flooding in many of the areas of the world, and there is more to follow. Can we do something about it? But what can a single person do? These are questions that come to everyone's mind, but we should never forget Julia Carney's lines from her poem Little Things. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. At the Department of Environmental Architecture, we believe in this that every small step we take towards creating sustainable communities, we inch bit by bit towards creating a change. Established in 2006 under Maharshi Karve's Tri Shikshan Sanstha, which was founded by the great visionary Dhondo Keshav Karve, and our dynamic founder principal, Dr. Anurag Kashyap. The master's program of environmental architecture has grown from strength to strength since then. Responding to the ever changing environments, we have always striven to achieve the best that we can. This 2 years full time course is designed to expose the students to various facets of sustainability, from the building element level to the level of large scale developments like cities. The Environmental Design and Simulation Lab is equipped with high end instruments and software required to carry out field based studies. Life projects ensure that our students are exposed to current issues and develop the skills to tackle them effectively. The last 5 years, our focus has been on designing for resilience, climate resilience, environment resilience across various cities in India, like Pune, Jaipur, Chennai, Wayanad, Nagpur, etc. Designing and retrofitting for efficiency, whether it's water, energy, or waste, to zero carbon developments has been the other focus areas. At the same time, we cannot forget the people who are at the core of our profession, and designing for their health and well being is an integral part of our study. We believe that collaborations is the way forward if you want to achieve any targets related to climate change or sustainability. With this in mind, we have various collaborations with leading organizations across the world. To name a few, the National Institute of Urban Affairs NIUA, IFC for EDGE certification, IGBC, ASSOCHAM, etc. Collaborations are also sought through joint studios, workshops with leading institutions in India and across the world. Our students have consistently ranked in the top 4 in the world for the prestigious International Solar Decathlon competition for the last 4 years. We have been one of the only 3 or 4 teams that participate from India in this international competition. This year, at the launch of the Solar Decathlon India competition, our team were runners up in the disaster resilient uh, building shelter category. We are committed to contributed our bit to the environment, and thus we are signatories to the Global Climate Letter for universities and colleges, UNCC's, that is United Nations Climate Change, under Race to Zero program, and have taken the Not Zero Net Zero pledge initiated by UNESCO, AICTE, and the TARE Policy Center. As architects, we engage with every part of the environment, be it land, water, or air. We are responsible in shaping these environments, and the more sensitively we create them, the more sustainable life will be. We endeavor to incite, understand, and build this sensitivity through knowledge and education. Come, join us, and be the change you want to see. I will leave you with the words by Dr. Jane Goodall, the famous activist and scientist, who quoted, What you do makes a difference. And what you have to decide is what kind of difference you want to make. Unquote. Thank you.